Hello, my name is Juan Santiago. I just had a hip replacement. I decided to come to Dynamic Physical Therapy, and when I came here, my experience here was great. Mr. Stage was one of the best therapies I ever saw. I went to another therapy before and I wasn't uncomfortable. I came here, everybody felt like family. The staff and everybody here was great. They had done electric shock in my leg. He also did a procedure a couple of months ago in my knee, and my knee became great. Now I can sit down, stand up, and the staff here was great. His assistant, Jackie, she was great with me. And Mr. Stage, they worked on you one-on-one, and they were very good. I really recommend this place to anyone to come, and I guarantee you won't be upset after you finish your therapy here.